Hello, Super Sleuths! We're on a mission to uncover subtraction's secret patterns.
You know those subtraction tables? Well, they're not just for memorizing. There's a secret code inside.
Yep, they're kind of like a secret map packed with clues. So let's crack this code together.
All right, our first case is a big one, the table for 10. Let's dive in.
Okay, look closely here. As the number we take away gets bigger, what happens to the answer?
So did you see it? Look at those answers. 9, 8, 7. What's going on here?
That's it. It's a countdown. Each answer is just one less. You found the first clue.
Awesome job! Now for our next big clue. Let's call it the zero hero rule. So let's look at the evidence. What happens when a number takes away, well, itself?
Look at this. 10 minus 10 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. A pattern is emergent.
And that's the zero hero rule. Any number minus itself is always 0. It's like a math superpower.
Okay, detective. Does our countdown clue work on other cases? Let's find out.
All right, here's the table for 8. Take a look at the answers.
Yes, there it is. The answers are counting down again. 7, 6, 5. It works.
See, both tables have that same secret countdown. It's a repeating code.
You've cracked the case. These secret patterns really are everywhere in subtraction. Awesome job!
So here's your new Subtraction Detectives Toolkit. You've got all the clues you need.
So, congratulations! You are now an official subtraction detective. For real! Your math adventure is just getting started. So what mysteries will you solve next?